welcome to Game with Brickster, and today we're going to be seeing what people are going to offer for my huge dog. So we're going to take out my huge dog, and then go over here, let's see, what do offer my huge dog. Let's see what people offer for it. Oh, I never got that sled. Doesn't look like anyone really is offering. So what we're going to do is we're going to go this way, and we're going to go into the trading plaza. See if anyone has anything they want to trade for there. Oh, anyways, while we're loading in, this is my first video, so let's see if we can get 5 likes and a couple subscribers. I'm actually racing my twin to see, or not my twin, my cousin, to see who can get the most subscribers in a week. So let's get 5 likes and a couple subscribers. Whoa, guy has a whole train of pets. I hope none of these are duped. Whoa, he has a rainbow huge Santa Paws and a rainbow hacked cat. Huge hacked cat. Okay, I'm gonna... people have the huge bunny. The huge cat bunny. Or the... I don't know what it's called. That's the new pet. From the Easter eggs. Everyone's probably crowned. Oh my gosh, yes. Let's just take out one of these. Wow, it's kind of laggy. It's like really laggy. Golden dog. Okay, I'm gonna take out my huge dog now. Let's take these off. Anyone want to offer for a huge dog? Let's see if anyone decides to offer. And I don't really think I'm going to let someone offer for it. But, selling huge pony. I don't really have anything good to offer. Let's see if someone wants to offer for it. Oh my gosh. Oh, these must be duped. There's no way. Not being rude, but that's crazy. That must be duped. Want to offer for huge dog? Let's see if anyone wants to offer. Someone else has a huge dog. I think it's this Maku's kid. doesn't really look like anyone wants to, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna quit. Actually, I'm just gonna take everything out. I'm just gonna trade people. Wow, no one has trades on. Let's see what this kid has for offer. That's not a good deal because the huge cupcakes aren't worth that much. So I'm gonna put up actually a couple dark matter pixel demons. I'm gonna take off the huge dog and see if they'll make that trade. Because I can just get more of them. Okay. And make that trade. I don't really think it was, but is that person have it? Oh, they got a huge gold dog. Big Doge. I like that. Whoa, those must be. I don't want to say those duped, but they might be. I don't know. Well, let's leave here and go to a new server. See if anyone else wants to trade for my huge dog or offer for it. I wouldn't trade it. Just seeing what people would offer for it. I actually don't know the value for the huge dog. Ooh, yeah, I can redeem my rewards. 500k gems. Nice. Let's go straight over to the VIP. Bam. Got a nice. Oopsie. Don't have any pets equipped. Let's see what we get. Probably nothing good. Yeah, nothing really good. Let's see if someone's down here. Decline. Let me decline for some reason. Oh, that's weird. I was like glitching, I couldn't move. That's weird. Dude. Not many people here. Let's see what we get from here. Another Easter llama. Just what we always wanted. Well, I think I'm gonna go back to shop and trade some people and see what they offer for it. I'll go like let's see. For some reason that trade or over there. Trade. Oh. Let's see what they have to offer for a huge dog. And I have the plushie right here. No, you can't see it. I don't have a face cam, but it's so soft and squishy. Doesn't look like they're gonna offer for it. They weren't really doing anything. Whoops, wrong pet. Put chat away. Ooh, I'm gonna have to cancel because that's not worth it. Just not worth it. 1v1 me on for funny name. Ooh. Let's see what we get from this. A chocolate frog. Ooh, I'm trying to be. Huge dog. If only it was huge. Oh, they really think I'm gonna make that trade. Well, I think redeem my gift. I think that's it, guys. And remember, subscribe and like the video, and have a great day. Bye.